Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I am going to show you on how to summarize a PDF with Google Bard. So the first thing that you'll need to do is to go to your web browser, and then you will have to type out bard.google.com. So you'll be able to see this page here. Okay, so now in order to summarize a PDF, first you will have to get the URL of the PDF that you want to summarize. So, for example, this PDF, since it's very complicated and has lots of mathematical expressions, so we'll have to summarize this one. So let's copy the URL of this PDF. So this PDF is uploaded in an online website. So let's go back to the bardgoogle.com and then type out this. Please summarize this PDF for me. And then paste here the URL of the PDF that you want to be summarized. And then tap on the send icon. And then just wait for a few seconds. And then here you will be able to see the summary of that PDF. Okay, so now it's more understandable, and you'd be able to understand this since the PDF from the online website is very complicated. Now you would be able to understand this. And also, if you want to use another PDF as well, so you can just do the same thing. Okay, and that's it. That's how you can summarize a PDF with Google Bard. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorial in the future. Bye bye.